In August of this year, the Florida Department of Transportation, in partnership with the Palm Beach Transportation Planning Agency and the City of Delray Beach, will begin its Brant Drive Bridge Replacement Project from Oregon Lane to Avocet Road in the cities of Boca Raton and Delray Beach. Project improvements include replacing the two-lane Brant Drive Bridge over the C-15 Canal with a new bridge consisting of 2 travel lanes and 10-foot shared use paths in each direction. Constructing 10-foot shared use paths in each direction north of the bridge. Reconstructing sidewalks south of the bridge. Adding decorative lighting and drainage. Upgrading signage and pavement markings. And reconstructing roadway approaches and milling and resurfacing. Traffic impacts include a full bridge closure that will occur for the duration of the construction. Traffic will be detoured onto North Dixie Highway via Hidden Valley Boulevard and Lindale Boulevard. Access to adjacent properties will be maintained. Navigation of the canal will be maintained for marine traffic. The project is anticipated to be completed in late 2022 at an estimated cost of $2.47 million. The Florida Department of Transportation District 4 will host a construction open house both in person and virtually regarding the bridge and roadway improvements for this project on Wednesday, July 14th. Participants may attend in person or online. Representatives will be available to provide information and answer questions. Project documents will be available at the meeting and at d4fdot.com/pbfdot/. The online portion of this meeting will be from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Please use the following link or QR code to register. Participants may also call in at 1-877-568-4108. Access code 167-329-759. The in-person portion of this meeting will be from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Delray Beach Public Library, located at 100 West Atlantic Avenue. The latest social distancing guidelines will be followed. For more information on FDOT District 4 construction projects, please visit our website at www.d4fdot.com or contact the following: FDOT Project Manager Syra Rothschild at 561-370-1194. Project Administrator Andres A. Tortua at 786-236-0791. Community Outreach Specialist Angel Gardner at 561-886-8773. City of Delray Beach Transportation Engineer Richard Pereira at 561-243-7000, extension 4116. Or City of Boca Raton Chief Construction Inspector Elsa Tellez at 561-416-3424.